There's a big Christmas tree.
Whoa, look, it's changing colours. Man, there's Santa's grotto full of little kiddies. Eliza, turn round. So what ride do you want to go on?
Santa.
Hmm?
Santa.
You've been on Santa before.
Yeah, and I got a unicorn.
Whoa.
A pet unicorn.
Oh look, it's changed.
Controlling it. My question.
Where do you want to go on?
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. How often has the Christmas tree afforded me the greatest glee? Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. Oh Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. From base
So where do you want to go next?
Next, we're going to eat.
Oh look, the bell's ringing just for you. That's it. You got lights as well.
This is Santa's grotto and it's still very busy.
Do you like the tree? So it's saying Sheffield on it. Sheffield. You're gonna change colour. No. It's steady.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and Auld Lang Syne? For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for Auld Lang Syne. For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for Auld Lang Syne. For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for Auld Lang Syne.